Hey, Ricardo here from Easy Access. Today I'm going to explain how our TradeTough platform accessory works. It goes with all of our TradeTough telescopic all-in-one or multi-letter variations. So this comes in a few heights and fits all models. So in this position, it's designed as an additional platform, a little bit more room to stand on for when you're working. So in this position, we've got a slightly wider footprint to stand on for any tasks that are a little bit longer. We've got a larger platform here. So a nice working platform, or you can use it to store your tools on or anything like that. So a handy little accessory. So to install it as a platform out off the face of the ladder, we simply push the hook over one of the rungs. This slides over and simply locks into place. So take a lot of weight, use it as an extra large platform, or even as a seat if you are having a bit of smoker break. We can also install this on the inside of the ladder to create a little platform to put your tools or specifically paint. So we have it compacted like this here, locked in like this here, and then pull these right out like this here. So there we go, we've got a little platform here. If you're doing a quick painting task and you're up a little bit of height, you've got your paint within reach. So it's a nice handy platform to have everything a little bit closer for our TradeTough all-in-one ladders.